Okay, let's make some banana bread. That's 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Just whisk that together and then set it aside. Then beat you up a half cup of softened butter, and then add you some bananas real quickly, like just 3 bananas are about to turn into banana goo, and just put that in there and blend it up too. Then you can add your 3/4 cup of brown sugar and the juice of 2 eggs, and just beat that all up real good until it looks about right to you. Then you can dump your flour mixture into your other mixture and just mix it all together until it's looks like it should, but don't overdo it. Pour it into a greased and floured loaf pan and bake it for about an hour at 350. And if your oven cooks a little hotter, you might want to check it at about 45 minutes, or else your loaf might be a little overdone. But that's what it looks like. It's banana bread. It's good.